Hey everyone, so bit of a different video here. I noticed the battery light was on and it stays on, and like this here, what happens is those lights there are staying on. So I looked it up, I checked out a couple of channels on YouTube, and one of the tests I came across on YouTube was if you pull off the negative lead and it cuts out, then yeah, your alternator's buggered. Now there are some fuses in here to check as well, which I did, and none of them turned out to be burnt out or blown. So here's what happens. There you go. So it cut out. So I'm gonna change it. I picked up one from King Commercials here in Rotorua. From Ivan. Everybody knows Ivan. He's had that shop for as long as I can remember. He's a good guy. He gave me a pretty decent price as well for a new alternator. Here it is here, and it comes with a 3-month warranty, and it cost me $250. Can't really argue with that. So yep, I'm going to attempt to change the alternator, and it's down there. You can just see it there. You can just see it down there where my shadow is. So anyway, I like the challenge. I'm going to get stuck into it. All good. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Just have to do that, just have to do that to make sure the belt doesn't pop off. Looks fine. That looks fine. Yes, yes, yes. That light is out. Last test. Remember the last time I took this off when the alternator was buggered? It cut out. This time it's off and it's still running. Primo. Done before I had to leave for work. I'm headed to Taupo, and so far no lights are on. Everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.